Welcome back to CAD/CAM Engineering YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to discuss about relative coordinate system using this drawing. Already we have discussed about absolute coordinate system, the same drawing. Still you are not seeing that video, I give the link in the description, please check it. So this is our drawing. We have the 14 points. Before starting our AutoCAD, we go to fill this table. You know very well, the first point is 0, 0 because all the coordinate system, the first point we giving in absolute method. If you want giving some other point, no issue, just you type whatever you want. So next point, so we need to enter the point number 2. So relative coordinate system, the previous point is acting on a origin point. So this is our origin point. The 60 mm to travel in x-axis. So x-axis we type 60 and y-axis the height. Here the point number 2 we are not increasing the height, so that's why I give 0. Point number 3, now height only increasing because point number 2 is acting on a origin point, so that's why x-axis is 0 and the y-axis the height is 20. Height is given here. Next, point number 4. So see, point number 2 and point number 3 is an vertical and horizontal. Okay, but point number 4 here that inclined. Okay, so it means we want to give the x-axis value the same time y-axis value, not like a previous one. Okay. So here the third point is acting on an origin point. It means the x-axis is minus sign, then y-axis is plus sign. So x-axis minus 25. How I give 25? See in the top, minus 20. How I give 20? See here the value is given 20. This 22.36 as an inclined dimension. So we need for only vertical or horizontal dimension because of this relative methods. So then that y-axis how much to increase? The total height is 20. It means the height is only the middle. The height up to the middle is 10. So I give 10 mm. Point number 5. Similar for point number 4 because this also inclined, but here both the value in plus sign because this is origin point. Okay, so x-axis as usual 20, but y-axis also 10. Next, point number 6. Now that 5 to 6 as a vertical, it means we give only x-axis, we give only y-axis value. So x-axis 0, y-axis is 20. Point number 7, now the horizontal position. So here also we give the value only x-axis. X-axis 25. Don't forget is minus 25 because point number 6 is acting on a origin point. Then y-axis you know very well, it's 0. Next, point number 8, same like point number 4. Now the point number 7 to 8, I mean point number 8, it's an inclined line. Okay, so we want to give x-axis and y-axis both the value in minus. So now I give minus. First I give x-axis value this side. So this side 25, here also 25. So total length is 60. So 25 plus 50. It means the in between value is 10 mm. So in the middle value only 5. So I give 5 minus 5 in x-axis. In the y-axis the total height is 20. The value is given, so I take 20. Next, but here y-axis also minus. Don't forget to give the minus sign. Then point number 9. Same like we want to give both the values x and y because the inclined line. So x-axis same 5 minus 5. Okay, x-axis same like a minus 5 and y-axis is 20 in plus sign. Next, point number 10. This you know very well because this is horizontal only. So the total length is 25, so I give minus 25 and y-axis is 0. Point number 11, now x-axis is 0, y-axis is minus 20. Point number 12, like an incline, so x-axis value plus 20 and y-axis value minus 10, because the total is 20, so half of this value, the middle is 10. So next, point number 13, also inclined line. So x-axis minus 20 and y-axis also minus 10. And the last point, we give the C also. We press C and enter, entire sketch going to close, otherwise we give the values. So here I give the value 0 and minus 20. So this is our entire x and y axis value for this particular sketch. So now I go to just take the screenshot of this table, and the same table I pasted in AutoCAD software, then we check how that sketches appear. So now I open AutoCAD software, already I give that zoom, limit, units and all. So you also please, before starting, you also give this commands, important commands. Now I go to paste here. Okay. So now just I go to take the line command, and the first point 0, 0. Okay. I think you can see very well. Okay. The next point we are using @ symbol, then 60, 0. Now I get this line. Next, point number 3 @ 0, 20. Point number 4 @ minus 20, 10. See, now we get that inclined line. Okay. Next, @ 20, 10. Okay. Next, point number 6 @ 0, 20. Point number 7 @ minus 25, 0. Point number 8 @ minus 5, minus 20. Point number 9 @ minus 5, 20. So plus 20, we no need to enter the plus value, just you press type 20 is enough. Point number 10 @ minus 25, 0. Point number 11 @ 0, minus 20. Point number 12 @ 20, minus 10. 12th point, I think 12th point already given, so 13th point minus @ minus 20, minus 10. The last point @ 0, minus 20. Finally you give enter. Now you get this drawing. So now we can do this drawing without using mouse. Just you enter the L for line command and enter, continuously giving this data, we get this drawing. So this method is very important, because some places we want to draw without mouse. It means some critical places we give only using this coordinate systems. That's why we are focusing this method without mouse. This is very important. So please take more practice, learn more. Thank you for watching. If you not subscribe our channel, please subscribe. We will meet you in the next video.